Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm back with a new and easy tutorial, which is the knit stitch headband. If you are following me for some time, you would know that I have done the infinity scarf using the knit stitch and a lot of you liked it. So today we're doing the headband using the same stitch. If you want to see how to make it, just stay tuned. So I'm using a Lion brand pound of love yarn. I've got this for some time and I'm gonna start. I'm using as well 4.5 millimeter hook. So starting with a slip knot, I'm gonna chain 80. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna do one single crochet and one single crochet in every chain till the end of the row. Now onto the next row. You can either start right away or you can chain one. So I'm gonna slip stitch in the first stitch and slip stitch in every stitch throughout this row. So the first row was a single crochet, the second row was a slip stitch throughout. The next row will be again single crochet. So basically the knit stitch is based on one row of single crochet and one row of slip stitch. That's how you get the knit stitch. And I'm going to do that till I obtain the width required for the headband. So once I complete my rows, it depends on you. Here I have done 10 rows. So I'm gonna stitch the two sides together to close it and make it ready to wear. It is a very easy tutorial, like I said. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.